Question number 11. Now this is also a very question number 11. Now this is also a very sweet question. Why I have said sweet? Because this question is really very interesting. So इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी व्हाट इज गिवन 1 अपॉन 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 अपॉन 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 plus 1 divided by 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to x upon 36. So I have to calculate the value of x. सबसे पहले इस क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए what I will suggest you all is let k is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2. मैंने 1 अपॉन x प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 की वैल्यू को एज्यूम कर लिया है एंड लेट दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू k. Okay, now let me see what happens further. So my expression will become 1 divided by 1 upon 1 divided by 1 upon 1 upon k plus 1 upon k plus 1 divided by 1 upon k प्लस 1 अपॉन के. कैसे किया भाई? ये वाली जो क्वांटिटी है ये कितनी हो गई? के हो गई. सो दिस विल बी 1 अपॉन 1 डिवाइडेड बाय के प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय के जो कि यहाँ लिखा है प्लस 1 अपॉन 1 डिवाइडेड बाय के प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय के. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू x अपॉन 36. अभी राइट हैंड साइड के बारे में नहीं फोकस करते हैं, अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ लेट अस फोकस ऑन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सिंप्लीफाई होके कितना होता है. देन वी विल पुट द वैल्यूज एंड देन वी विल substitute and then we will see what happens. This is 1 divided by 2 upon k plus 1 divided by 2 upon k is equal to x upon 36. Now this will be 1 divided by k upon 2 plus k upon 2 is equal to x upon 36. So this will be 1 upon k will be equal to x upon 36. So 36 will be equal to x into k की वैल्यू कितनी थी? What was my k? My k was 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2. 1 upon x plus 1 upon 2. So this will give me 36 is equal to x upon x plus x upon 2. Now this x upon x will simplify to 1, which gives me 36 is equal to 1 plus x upon 2. So x upon 2 will be equal to 36 minus 1, which is equal to 35. So x upon 2 is equal to 35, which gives me x equal to how much? 2 into 35, which is equal to 70. So this is how you were required to solve this question. That is option number A will be your correct answer. Question number 12. The value of 1 minus 1 upon 3 whole square multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 4 is whole square multiplied by 1 minus 1 upon 5 whole square dot 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 up to 1 minus 1 upon n whole square is equal to। बहुत आसान सवाल है। सॉल्व करने के लिए अपन 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 को इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई व्हाट यू विल गेट इज 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन 3। नाउ दिस इज द ट्रिक हियर। ओके, 1 minus 1 upon 4 will be equal to 3 upon 4. So what I will do here is 1 upon 1 up, now I will simplify and I will write the expression in the simplified form. So this will be 2 upon 3 whole square multiplied by 3 upon 4 whole square multiplied by 4 upon 5 whole square dot 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 multiplied by n minus 1 upon n whole square. Now if you try to simplify it, so what you will get here is, एक स्टेप और कर लेते हैं, it will be 2 square upon 3 square multiplied by 3 square upon 4 square multiplied by 4 square upon 5 square dot 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 multiplied by n minus 1 whole square upon n square. Cancelling the terms, what I will get here is, इस तरीके से कैंसिल हो जाएंगे सारे टर्म्स, सो इट विल बी 2 square divided by n square. It is not 22, don't get confused that it is 22. So this will be 2 upon n whole square. So this is how you are required to solve this question, and to tell you the option number B will be the correct answer of this question. Thank you. Now we have already discussed such type of question in the class. Root x, since x is an irrational number, so its root will also be an irrational number. So let root x is equal to root a plus root b. Okay. So जैसे अपन ने proceed किया था, some students were having doubt also. So again I am telling you the same thing. X will be equal to, squaring both the sides, x will be equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. Putting the value of x, 7 plus 4 root 3 will be equal to a plus b plus 2 root ab. That will give me, comparing the rational and the irrational terms, a plus b will be equal to 7 and 2 root ab will be equal to 4 root 3, which gives me root ab equal to 2 root 3. That also gives me ab will be equal to 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. Now a plus b I am knowing, ab I am knowing. I want to calculate the value of a and b. I can do it directly, but you guys can't do it directly. So what you will do here is, you will apply an identity, a minus b whole square will be equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. So that will reduce to 7 whole square minus 4 into 12, which is equal to 49 minus 48, that is equal to 1. So a minus b will be equal to 1, a plus b will be equal to 7. Adding and subtracting, what I will get, a will be equal to 4 and b will be equal to 3. So my root x will be equal to square root of 4 plus square root of 3. So that will reduce to 2 plus root 3. 1 upon root x, 1 upon root x will be equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3, which is equal to, rationalizing the denominator, I will get here 2 minus root 3 multiplied by 2 plus root 3 multiplied by 2 minus root 3. So this will be 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square minus root 3 whole square, which is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 4 minus 3. So it will be 2 minus root 3 upon 1. Now root x I am getting root 1 upon root x I got. So my value root x plus 1 upon root x will be equal to 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3, which is equal to 4. So 4, which is equal to option number option number D will be your correct answer. So I solved this question because many students were saying कि sir हमें problem हो रही है how to calculate the roots. That is why I have solved this question here. The question is if x equal to root 3 minus root 2 upon root 3 plus root 2 and y equal to root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2, then I have to calculate the value of this expression. So guys, the first thing that struck my mind after seeing this question was that product of x into y is equal to 1. Now, when I know this, I can utilize this in n number of ways. First of all, what I will do is I will add 1 and I will subtract 1 in the given in this expression. So my expression will become x square plus xy plus y square plus 1 minus 1. Now, I will write this 1 as x into y. So my expression will become x square plus 2xy plus y square minus 1. So this will finally become x plus y whole square minus 1. This I have done to simplify the question. How I will simplify the question that I will tell after few steps. दूसरी बड़ी बात यह है कि since xy is equal to 1, so x की जो भी वैल्यू आएगी y की वैल्यू उसका कॉन्जुगेट होगी. ठीक है, तो x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं. x is equal to root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Rationalizing, x will be equal to root 3 minus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. So now what I will get is root 3 minus root 2 whole square divided by root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So this quantity will be root 3 whole square is 3 plus root 2 whole square is 2 minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 divided by root 3 whole square is 3 minus root 2 whole square is 2, so 3 minus 2. So further this quantity will become 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 root 6 divided by 1, which is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. Now since xy is equal to 1, so y will be equal to 1 upon 5 minus 2 root 6. Rationalize kar do, so it will be 5 plus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 minus 2 root 6 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 6. So this will be 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 5 square minus 2 root 6 whole square, which is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 divided by 25 minus 24, that is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. So my expression will be x plus y whole square minus 1, that is 5 minus 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 2 root 6 whole square minus 1, which is equal to, these two will get cancelled, 10 square minus 1, which is equal to 99. Therefore, my correct answer will be 99. That is option number A. So this is how you were required to solve this question. Question number 15. Question number 15. The question says I have to calculate the value of this expression, which is square root of 1 upon root 2 plus 1 plus 1 upon root 3 plus root 2 plus 1 upon root 4 plus root 3 plus dot 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 up to 99th term. Now, first of all, 99th term will be 1 upon square root 100 plus square root of 99. कैसे आया भाई? इस तरीके से आया कि फर्स्ट टर्म इज रूट 2 प्लस 1, सेकेंड टर्म इज रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2, दैट इज एक ज्यादा और सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म इज रूट 4 प्लस रूट 3. सिमिलरली 99th टर्म विल बी रूट 100 प्लस रूट 99. अब जब इतना पता चल गया तो क्वेश्चन जो है बहुत आसान हो गया है. कैसे आसान हो गया सर? देखिए, the question will be square root of 1 upon root 2 plus 1 plus 1 upon root 3 plus root 2 plus dot 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 plus 1 upon root 100 plus root 99. Simplifying, what I will get here is, रेशनलाइज कर देते सारे टर्म्स को. सो दिस विल बी, आप लोग इंडिविजुअली रेशनलाइज कर लेना. आई विल राइट द टर्म्स डायरेक्टली. सो फर्स्ट टर्म विल बी रूट 2 माइनस 1 प्लस रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2 प्लस डॉट 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 प्लस रूट 100 माइनस रूट 99. So this will be equal to root 2 minus 1 plus root 3 minus root 2 plus dot 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 plus square root of 100 is 10 minus root 99. Now what you are observing here is this root 2 and this minus root 2 will get cancelled. Similarly, the next term here will be root 4 minus root 3. So this term will get cancelled. So the final result will be square root of 10 minus 1, which is equal to square root of 9, which is equal to 3. Now here I had written something directly that I will explain. 1 upon root 2 plus 1 will be equal to, रेशनलाइज कर दे अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर को, सो दिस विल बी रूट 2 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2 प्लस 1 इंटू रूट 2 माइनस 1. सो दिस विल बी इक्वल टू रूट 2 माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय रूट 2 स्क्वायर minus 1 square. So this will be equal to root 2 minus 1. Okay. That is why I had written the expression as root 2 minus 1 प्लस रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2. इस तरीके से मैंने डायरेक्ट लिख दिया था, क्योंकि अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे तो सारे सबका डिनोमिनेटर जो आ रहा था वो 1 आ रहा था. सो योर आंसर विल बी रूट 9 विच इज इक्वल टू 3. So this is how you were supposed to solve this question, which looked to be very complicated, but it was not. Oh, simplest rationalizing factor. So we have invested almost 2 class on this simplest rationalizing factor. तो सबसे पहले इसको प्राइम फैक्टर्स के टर्म में लिखते हैं. So this will be fourth root of 12 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 4th root of 2 square into 3 multiplied by 2 square. So this will be 4th root of 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. So this will be equal to, so this will be 4th root of 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 4th root of 3. So it will finally, it will become 2 into 4th root of 3. Now, in order to make this term a rational number, what I should multiply it with? I should multiply it with 3 raised to the power 3 upon 4, which is equal to 4th root of 27. So, my simplest rationalizing factor will be 4th root of 27. That is option number B. So this is how you are required to solve this question.